Hi guys, I hope you all doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The sun is scorching. Where it's so hot. I need shades, right? So today I was gathering manure, like cow dung, from the cows. So here at the village we have cows, several cows. So it's my routine. Like before the end of the day, I gather the cow dung so that I can take it to the shamba. Forget? Oh, okay. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how I'm collecting the cow dung and taking it to the shamba. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a glimpse of our shamba, our kitchen garden. Yeah, so that's how life is like in the village. We don't normally use fertilizer that we buy because cow dung and the dung from the goat, from the chicken, is enough for our kitchen garden and where we have planted napier grass. Yeah, and some fruits. Okay, so be with me up to the end of the video. Today I'll try to make a long video, like 8 minutes. Today I'll try my best. Normally I don't usually have time, or don't usually have the morale to shoot, but I hope in future the morale will be back. So this is me in the village. Okay, so when you see me in future, you'll be looking back at these videos. You say that girl used to be in the village, she used to be hardworking. Yeah, okay. So these videos too, I'm doing them so that I can be revisiting them in future. And I'm like, girl, you used to try. Okay. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. Subscribe, like, share. Let me take you on how our steps that we do so that we go to the shamba. Yeah, do some recap of whatever I did in the previous video. I think that will be enough, right? So I'm shooting with a phone, so I'm feeling like it's heavy. So can you guess which one is that? Okay, guys, I'll see you in my next video, but keep keep being tuned, okay? Yeah. So I don't know whether I should put music to these, but I don't have time for editing. As a young YouTuber, you can put a lot of energy, you can do a lot of songs, you can do a lot of editing, and it doesn't really pick. Okay, so me, I'm trying wherever I'm able to. So this is where our cows sleep. This is where we have our firewood for the outside kitchen. That's a sound from a cock, don't worry. So you see the cow dung. This is the cow dung. Yeah. So I usually pick it using a spade. This is a spade. Yeah. This is how life is in Africa. So I put it in this bucket. So after putting it in this bucket, I carry it. I carry it to the shamba. So we are heading to the shamba. So this is our shamba. I hope I'm audible enough. I'm yet to buy a microphone. So here at home it's so silent. Maonaje? Into a girl strong. So this is cow dung. So I'll do this like 5 times. I'll put it here where someone was weeding so that it can help the napier grass grow. So we are going to replant some napier grass here around this avocado tree. Yeah. So I'm going to do it like how many times? I've said 5 times. So previously there were loquats here. When loquats ripen, they usually become yellow in color. Okay, my fingers are so dirty. But they usually become yellow in color. But when they ripe over time, wakati zimepigwa na jua sana kumaanisha like when the sun is too much, like now, this is how they become. Nah, yummy. So these are loquat tree. It's off season now. Now till next year, like 12 months from now. Like till next year, a time like this. So previously it was a guava season, then maize season, we harvested maize. But here in our shamba, we didn't really we didn't really harvest all the maize. I hope you seeing me. So we didn't really harvest all the maize. So there's some of the maize you can see them there. So these ones grow a bit slower. They grow a bit slower. Yeah. So as for now, the next season, but they have a season drought though. But as at now, it's we have ready bananas. So we have 3 types of bananas. This is type 3. So there's type 1 where you can cook purely for cooking. Type 2 you can cook and ripen. Type 3 like this one you only ripen it. You get the point. So as for now we have like 7 bananas in this farm. So this is the first one. These are pumpkin leaves. I said this video will be a bit long and a bit educative. These are pumpkin leaves. Type 2. This type 1. If you watch my videos or go to the previous one, you will see type 1. These don't usually give birth or reproduce to become pumpkins. These ones are just leaves, but they're sweeter than those ones which have pumpkins. Go to flower pumpkins. So, next, where do I take you? There's another banana over there, if you can see. So this is the farm. It really needs to be weeded. It really needs to be weeded. So these are guavas. It's like 2 months ago when these guavas were in season, but guavas are a bit unique. You see, they are already producing fruits. Like they're already done with the flowering time. You see, so give them like 6 weeks, 6 weeks or less than 6 weeks. They will be good to be eaten. Very nice. Wow. Imagine they are guavas. And it's just the other day that I shooted saying that it's a guava season. Our this tree grows throughout, but this tree gives birth, not gives birth. What am I saying? Produces this tree. Sorry, that's a sound from a goat. So this tree usually produces white guavas. So let me show you a sample. Yeah, these are some of the guavas. So let me. 3 are ready. So let me pluck 2. So I'll go and wash them because my hands are dirty. So that And it's just the other day that I think that it was a guava season. Yeah. I know some of you will be thinking that you might find snakes, there's a lot of grass there. But these are the grasses that we cut so that we can give our goats. I'll be coming here for more guavas. So the other plantations are banana plantations. We don't have much. So here you can easily find chameleons, but now you get used to it. Look at the flowers. Look at this flower. Nice. Wow. Isn't it lovely? I'll come back here once again to see what these flowers become. So in the village, you can only hear sounds of birds singing. So cool, no loud music, no neighbors. So it's you and the farm together with the birds. Don't worry whatever I'm doing in the background. I'm eating the guava. Guys, what do you think about this video? I wanted it to be 7 minutes long and it's turning out to be longer. So I'm loving it. I was eating, sorry about that. But I'm yet to finish. Give me a second. Walala. You see, when you eat a guava, you don't swallow the seeds. Because when you swallow the seeds, you'll get a problem when you're going for a long call. So it's not advisable that you should be swallowing it. So guys, let me continue with the work that I had before the sun goes down. Yeah, so that I can do other businesses, so that I get to bake and do some transactions. I need to do some transactions at the end of the day, before the end of the day. So guys, show some love, like, subscribe, share. And if you're a family and you're here, show some love. If you're a friend, if you are referred to by a friend to this video or to this channel, feel free. I'm a young YouTuber. I've been doing YouTube for like, I guess it's like, okay, I've not been consistent and I'm not planning to be consistent this year. So in future I'll have a different channel for different adventures. So I'm just trying this one out before I really know what to do. Okay, so when you're here, comment, share, like, share the views. This is where you can get village videos. Okay? So, I've passed through grass and napier grass. Now I feel like itching. Let me finish the work, go and bathe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.